We'll guide you step by step on how to fix the no sound issue in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Windows Start button. From there, open Settings. If you don't see it, simply search for Settings in the search bar. Once you're in Settings, click on System from the left-hand menu, then select Sound. In the Output section, make sure the correct audio device is selected. Sometimes Windows chooses a device you're not using. For example, if the wrong output is selected like a microphone or unused device, you won't hear any sound. So, ensure your speakers, such as Realtek speakers, are selected. You can also adjust the volume here and check if that resolves the issue. If the problem continues, close Settings and click on the search icon at the bottom. Type Device Manager and open it. In Device Manager, locate audio inputs and outputs. Find the device you're using, for example, your Realtek USB speakers, then right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers and make sure you have the latest version installed. If that doesn't fix the issue, right-click the device again and go to Properties. Then, open the Driver tab. If available, click on Rollback Driver. This can help if a recent update caused the problem. Try rolling back and check if your sound starts working again. If you're still facing issues, close everything and go back to the search bar. Type Get Help and open the app. Once it loads, type No Sound and select the relevant option. Scroll down and allow it to run automated diagnostics. Click Yes when prompted and let Windows scan your system and attempt to fix the audio problem automatically.